What up YouTubers, and welcome back to Omni Garage. I've been wanting the Meguiars foam cannon for some time now, and I finally got it, so I'm really excited to give it an unboxing and see how it performs. So it looks like Meguiars has given us a small bottle of the gold class car wash. On their websites they recommend that this gold class car wash is the best product to use in their foaming guns. Creates a nice big foam, so we'll give that a crack, see how that goes. This is our generic foam bottle. It's 1,000 mils or a 1 litre bottle. It just looks like a generic bottle. These are what all the other websites have on them. The only thing different here is we've got the Meguiars logo sticker on the front there. So here is our foaming nozzle. It feels quite heavy, it's nice and solid, feels like it's well built. We've got our aerator nozzle on the top here, and here we've got our fan adjustment nozzle on here. It looks like Meguiars has also given us a few different adapters for different pressure washers. On the back of the box here it tells us what kind of adapters it comes with. It comes with the 1/4 inch quick connect, it comes with the Karcher K series, and today we'll be using a Karcher K4 pressure washer, so this is the connector we'll be using, and it comes with a still/gurney pressure washer adjustment there. They also say that if you look around on a few different websites you'll be able to find a few different adjustments that will fit a few different pressure washers if yours is not suggested here. And that looks like that's it. So to ensure that we get our dilution rates right, Meguiars have said on the back of their kit that if you're using a 1600 psi pressure washer that you will add 100 mils of product to 900 mils of water, and if you're using a 2900 psi pressure washer you add 50 mils of product to 450 mils of water. So we're using the Karcher K4, which is a 1900 psi pressure washer, so for ease of the video we're going to add 900 mils of water to 100 mils of product. So the weight of that's quite heavy, and that made that quite hard to just thread that onto the bottle there, but we're on there nice and sturdy. And here's our Karcher adapter there. We want it nice and tight so we don't get any leaks. The kit does provide you with a bit of tape that you could put around there to stop the leaking, but we'll see how we go with that. Give it a crack. That's a nice tight tug fit. Let's get ready for washing. Alright, so we're all set to give this thing a try. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so if you have this little nozzle here, this air to product adapter too far out, you're going to get too much air, not enough product, and this is what happens. So you need to adjust it so it's nice and tight. Making it nice and tight will limit the amount of air to the product, and you should get some decent foam. Let's see how it works. Alright, so there you have it. We've finished foaming the car using this foam gun. We used 100 mils of product with 900 mils of water, and that almost got us all the way around the car. At the end we had to top the bottle up a little bit. Now I think that if you were a bit quicker with your foaming and you'd use this foam gun for a couple of times, I think you'd be able to foam a similar sized car with one bottle of this. Now that would mean that you would limit the amount of product wastage that you would be using, and you'd get good mileage out of a bottle of wash. What I really liked about this product is the fact that I could adjust this nozzle at the front here, and what that did is by adjusting it I could open the fan out, so that means I could get a larger foam coverage on the car, and then when you narrow it down you get a smaller coverage, but you're more direct with your phone application. So one of the struggles we had with this product was right at the beginning. We didn't have the product to water ratio set quite correctly, and what that did is when we sprayed it onto the paint we didn't get any foam, we just got this watery mess running down the paint. By adjusting this nozzle here at the top, it's got to be nice and tight, and what that does is it creates the perfect combination between product and water, and once you've got that perfect combination it produces great foam. It does exactly what this product says it should do. Once you've had a bit of a play around with adjusting these fan settings here on the front, and you've had a good go with adjusting this water to product ratio, I think you guys will enjoy this product. I really did, and I would recommend. That's it from Omni Garage today. Please like and subscribe for future content.